In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wash Ashley Furniture couch cushions 2025. Step by step. The first thing you want to do is find the cleaning code on your couch cushions or upholstery tag. This code tells you what kind of cleaner is safe to use, and it's the most important place to start before doing any washing. If you see W, that means water-based cleaners are safe. S means you should only use solvent-based cleaners. WS or W/S means either water-based or solvent-based cleaners can be used. If you see X, that means vacuum only, and professional cleaning is the safest option. Once you know the cleaning code, remove any loose dirt from the cushions. If the cushions can be taken off the couch, go ahead and remove them, then vacuum all sides using an upholstery attachment. Be extra thorough around seams, corners, and crevices since that's where dust, crumbs, and debris tend to collect. Next, check whether the cushion covers are removable. If they have zippers, read the care label before doing anything else. If the label says machine washing is allowed, wash the covers in cold water on a gentle cycle using a mild detergent. After washing, let them air dry. Avoid high heat because it can shrink the fabric and make the covers difficult to put back on. If there are stains, you'll want to spot clean them based on the fabric code. For W or WS fabrics, mix a small amount of mild dish soap with warm water. Dampen a clean microfiber cloth and gently blot the stain. Try not to rub aggressively and avoid soaking the fabric. After that, use a separate clean damp cloth to wipe away any soap residue. For S fabrics, use a solvent-based upholstery cleaner and follow the product instructions carefully. It's always best to test it first in a hidden area to make sure it doesn't affect the fabric. Then allow the cushion to dry completely. If the foam inside the cushion also needs cleaning, remove the cover if possible and spot clean the foam with a mild soap solution. Be careful not to saturate it since foam holds moisture easily. Press it with towels to remove excess water, then let it air dry completely before putting everything back together. After cleaning, place the cushions in a well-ventilated area and let them dry thoroughly. Don't use high heat unless the care label clearly says it's safe. Make sure the foam is fully dry to help prevent mold or mildew. Finally, replace the covers, fluff the cushions, and rotate them to